When we're buying or selling a home, we're always looking for the best price possible. What's the highest price you can get for me? Or, what's the lowest deal you can do for me? Steven Maguire is an experienced investigator from New South Wales Fair Trading, who are regulators of the real estate industry. He has tips for both consumers and agents about the do's and don'ts of pricing real estate.
In New South Wales, the Property Stock and Business Agents Act 2002 and the Australian Consumer Law sets price guides for the selling of residential properties and how they are supposed to be advertised. Fair Trading has a set of suggestions called the Estimated Selling Price Guidelines for Agents, which you can get from our Fair Trading website. Real estate agents have a responsibility both to the seller and the buyer to ensure that the selling price is clear and precise and not misleading. Examples of misrepresentation are understating the sale price, which means continuing to advertise a property between $400,000 and $500,000, yet the vendor has rejected a price of $480,000. Offers over. An advertisement states offers over $500,000, yet the vendor is seeking a price in excess of $620,000. Underquoting, which means listing or advertising a property between $600,000 and $650,000, yet the vendor is looking for a price of $970,000. Overstating the selling price, telling buyers that a vendor has already rejected higher offers that don't exist. If agents are found guilty of false or misleading advertising, they can face fines of up to $22,000 and disciplinary action, which can include the suspension or cancellation of their licence. To avoid this, it's important agents document everything they do in terms of price setting. They need to show evidence of why a property is a certain price or why the price has changed. The agency agreement should list both the estimated selling price and the offered sales price. Fair Trading uses the agency agreement and documents within the sales file that provide evidence of the agent's estimated selling price. So how do I work out my selling price? Have a look at comparable sales, recent sales within the area, features, does the property have a pool, a gym, tennis court, high ceilings, current use, a quality tenant in an investment property, future use, zonings, rights of ways, redevelopment, resumption by public authorities, historical preservation orders, covenants or restrictions and DA approvals, market demand in that area, recent valuations, the vendor's circumstances, will an early settlement help, seasonal factors, like what's the property like in winter or at low tide, economic influences, interest and employment rates. Good agents make sure that a fair estimate of the selling price is based on objective analysis. This is why agents need to keep good records. Here are some helpful tips if you are selling your home. Compare similar house sales in the area. Speak to more than one agent. Check the different ways that your property could be marketed for sale. Get an agent's opinion on price, not a reflection of your view. Valuation. Get an independent third-party valuation by a licensed valuer.
Whether you're a buyer or a seller, if you think you've been misled by an agent, you should discuss it with the agent and try and resolve the issue in the first instance. If no resolution is found, you could go to New South Wales Fair Trading website to find lots of information for real estate agents, buyers and sellers.